For this travel series, we are visiting Hanoi, Vietnam. Hanoi is the capital of Vietnam and the most historic and culturally rich cities in Southeast Asia. It is located in the northern part of the country, and did you know that they experience four seasons? Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. A perfect winter budget destination. Get ready to explore Hanoi with us. Let's walk at the parks, immerse in their culture, visit cafes, explore local markets, and try all their local food that we can encounter in this trip. Enjoy my travel joys in Hanoi, Vietnam! Hey!
Our rating natin doon is 11 out of 10. The reason why we choose Vietnam. Basta ng mga locals doon yan tayo.
Hey guys! Joyce ya with Bartolome here! So for today, dito ko na sinimulan. Nagkagulutan kaya. Kagulutan na. This is it. We're flying to Vietnam today, guys. So I'll be sharing with you our flight. Tapos nagbayad tayo ng tax. Ayan. So today, we'll be flying via Vietnam Airlines. Dito tayo, economy class. We'll be in Vietnam for 4 days. Hindi kami nakapag-online check-in, so dito kami pipila. Pero maikli lang naman yung pila. So before we go to the counters to get our boarding passes, we went muna sa may paying ng tax. It's 1,620 per person. And yung bago dito ngayon, di ba last na fly natin was in April. It's July now. So guys, ngayon hindi na hinahand yung passport. You just need to show yung may bio page nyo, yung may picture nyo sa passport para easy nga naman sa kanila to type yung mga details nyo. So, ayan, mababala tayo ng mga luggage. Dalawang luggage tayo ngayon. We have 23 kilos each na hindi naman namin napuno dahil Vietnam lang naman tayo, konti lang ang dala natin. Then later, I'll be sharing with you our itinerary, kung ano mga ganap natin in Vietnam, and yung flight details natin. So, ayan, see you guys later! Guys, may mga pets na pupunta sa Vietnam with us. And we're out of the immigration. Guys, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung travel wifi na binibilan ko. It's 2:25 a.m. now at bukas siya. Pero I'll be sharing with you guys cause for this trip, first time natin gagamit ng eSIM. Diba? Alam ko marami na gumagamit yan. Si Jello naman, kinuhanan ko siya ng SIM card kasi hindi naka-open line yung phone niya. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-activate ng eSIM at SIM when going to Vietnam. Okay? So, now we'll be going to Pags. Pakita ko sa inyo, tapos i-chika time ko na sa inyo ang ating mga itinerary sa ating Vietnam travel. So, ayan, hindi naman busy ang airport ngayon. Nasa NAIA Terminal 1. Si Jello magpa-practice na kanyang photography sa Vietnam. So excited kami, guys. Chill days in Vietnam. Babaguhin natin ang style ng ating vlogging. I'll be showing, kasi sayang naman ang camera kapag hindi ginamit na tama. We will be doing more on the food trip. Yun ang inaabangan natin dito. So, ready na ba ang mga palate nyo? Ang mga mata nyo mabusog? So, see you guys! Hey guys, we're now settled here at Pag. So yan, sa may mga credit card dyan na accredited for the lounge. Make sure to use it, i-utilize nyo yan guys. So now, I'll be sharing with you the pre-flight expenses bago tayo makarating ng Hanoi. So first, we book our flight via Vietnam Airlines. It's at 15,000 per head. Nag-book ako guys around 2 weeks before our flight. And then next naman that I book is our Airbnb for this trip naman. Hindi na mag-hotel. I'll be sharing more of it. I'll do a Airbnb tour for you guys. And then the next thing naman na bago rin sa atin na na-experience is to get a SIM card. SIM card na for Jello. Kasi guys, for eSIM, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-eSIM kapag ka naka-lock kayo sa Globe or Smart. So me, since open line naman yung phone ko, I'm using eSIM. Kinuha ko siya through Klook. It's at 366 and then kay Jello naman is 388. That's unlimited data na for 7 days. Kahit 4 days lang kami doon guys. So ayan, if you wanna book yung mga activities, eSIMs nyo, and hotel accommodations, you can use my Klook code, ChoiceChiClook, to get 5% discount. So yun guys, for Vietnam, this is a very budget lang talaga na country. So, kaya yun yung reason. Gusto ko lang talagang kumain, guys. Kaya tayo nag-fly to Vietnam. Nag-crave kasi ako ng Vietnamese cuisine. Isa yan sa mga favorite ko na cuisine, guys. So, yun. Mag-i-invest ka lang talaga sa flight. Yun yung medyo pricey. If you have seen mga seat sales, go for it, guys. I-book nyo na yan. So, ayan. Magla-lounge lang kami. Our flight is at 5:20. It's just 3 a.m. now. Boarding is at 4:20. So, may 1 hour pa kami to chill. And then later, I'll be showing you my review again kay Vietnam Air. Anong kakainin, anong pwesto natin later, kung okay ba ang service. So, ayan. See you guys later. Hey guys, so it's time to board. Pababa na tayo. Gate 5 kami this time. So yan, we spent lang a couple of hours at the lounge. Ito na tayo. Baba tayo at gate 5. Sabi, 4:45 ang boarding natin. Let's see if on time. Sana walang turbulence today. It's time!
Bakasyon na ako.
Bakasyon na naman. Here guys, yung first class area. Ayan. Wider ang kanilang seats. Ganyan. Yan, ganyan pala tayo. 3-3 lang pala. Okay, and we're settled guys. Nandito tayo sa may exit area. Last na tayo dito. Ayan, so makaka-recline. Makaka-recline tayo kasi exit area. Sabi ko, window seat ako. Wala palang window. Pero carry lang. May butas naman doon. So, hindi ako matatakot. So, small lang ang ating aircraft. Dahil 3 hours flight lang. Yung mga entertainment, yung TV nandyan sa taas. Ito lang yung nasa harapan natin. Expected naman natin yan. Legroom is fine. Yan, okay naman. Love it. Wala tayong katabi dito. Nakaboard na daw ang lahat. Kakatulog ba akong pa ganon? Pwede eh. Guys, so breakfast is served. Ayan, kain na tayo. I got yung mini nila. Choice na isa ng mga scotch. So yan guys, yung focus ako para may noise cancellation kasi medyo malakas yung sound ng plane. Ang Tokyo talaga. Maganda dun guys. Wala dito. Si Jen. Mas ako dito. So, try natin yung food. So, we have bread, very type pudding, and then we have limpi. Ayun. Tapos may butter tayo. For drinks, I got orange juice. Parang guys, nagkaroon na ako ng allergy makadevelop ka ng allergy. Di ba, na-allergy na tayo dyan sa tahong yun. Hindi ko na alam kung itong clock na para sure. Pero parang nakain ako ng dalawa. So, tingnan natin. Nung nag-Italy kasi kami, parang doon ko siya na-discover. So, kasi na natin itong breakfast natin. So far, good naman siya. Yun, tapos nakasleep naman tayo. So, carry bills na natin. 15,000. Hey guys, let me welcome you to my travel joys in Hanoi, Vietnam. So guys, welcome to Noi Bai International Airport. Nakarating na tayo. That was a quick 3 hours 15 minutes flight through Vietnam Air. So, 'di ba, pagsakay natin, kumain tayo ng breakfast, natulog tayo ng mahimbing, tapos maya-maya nagland na tayo smoothly. So, ngayon guys, from here, mabilis lang yung flight, pero yung immigration, it took us 30 minutes sa pila, and now we're just waiting for our baggage. So, yun guys, magbaba namin ng Vietnam, ako agad-agad. Meron na akong data kasi I got my eSIM through Klook. Lagay natin dito. So guys, first time natin gumamit ng eSIM, sobrang dali lang pala nun. Sa Pilipinas, binigyan tayo ng QR code. Tapos, you just need to activate it. Tapos, pagdating mo dito sa Philippines, open mo lang yung cellular part mo. Tapos, i-off mo yung primary na SIM mo. Then, on mo yung travel mo. And wala! May data na tayo. Those are for those na hindi naka-lock yung mga phone sa Globe and Smart. Si Jello, since naka-plan siya sa Smart, I got him a physical SIM card which will be getting later through Klook also. And kung gusto nyong maka-discount, you can use my code, JoySheClook. Ayun. So, let's get our luggage and then later, I'll be showing you yung pag-withdraw natin and pagkuha natin ng SIM card ni Jello. Okay? Okay guys, here's where you're gonna get your Klook SIM cards, the physical one. So pag akyat nyo from the arrival, punta lang kayo sa 3rd floor. Tapos makikita nyo to guys, yung booth na yan, yung color brown. Yan guys. Just show them your Klook voucher, tatanungin yan, and then show them your passport, and then bibigyan na kayo ng physical SIM card. Ayan. As in, physical, ganyan lang. Baba na tayo. I-set up natin. Ganun lang kabilis. Ako, nag-eSIM ako. Si Jello nag-SIM card. Ilagay natin dito. Ayan, guys. And then you can use my Klook code, JoySheClook, to get some discounts. Diba? Gusto natin yung tipid travels. Next naman, we need to get money. Magkuha naman tayo sa ATM nila. And we're all set guys. Nakuhanan na natin ng SIM card si Jello. Meron na rin ako. May pera pa kasi kami guys from our November Ho Chi Minh travel. Meron pa kami 1,200,000 dong. Around 2,000. Wow! Wow! Milyonaryo. So yun guys, that's around 2,000 pesos pa and sobra pa yun sa pagkain. So ang gagawin natin dito sa Vietnam, budget travel lang tayo. Kaming dalawa ni Jello, 5,000 pesos pa yung additional namin na i-withdraw. Ganun lang. Ganun lang ang gastos natin for 4 days and I think sapat na yun. Guys, ang Vietnam is 1 hour behind sa Pilipinas. It's now 9:30 in the Philippines, 8:30 dito. Mag-grab tayo guys, magbubook na kami, and then from here sa airport, it's around 40 to 45 minutes going to Old Quarter kung saan kami magsistay. We'll be dropping our luggage sa aming Airbnb. We'll be staying at an Airbnb this time, which I'll be giving you a tour as well. Tapos guys, mag-iikot na tayo sa Old Quarter. Tapos later, tuloy-tuloy na, mag-freshen up tayo, mag-nap and all. So, ayan, ang ganda ng mga ganap dito sa airport guys. Mga ngayon lang ulit nagkita, mga bagong uwi. Okay, kami naman, we're here at another part of Vietnam. Dati kasi sa south tayo nakapunta, nasa north naman tayo ngayon. Okay? Let's enjoy our travel! First look natin sa Hanoi, Vietnam! Parang naiya din guys, oh. Ooh, nice. Guys, maghihintay kami dyan sa pillar number 8. Pero guys, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo, for tipid travels, nakita ko rin ito sa social media. Kung may ample time kayong mag-wait, pwede kayong sumakay nitong bus na orange going to Old Quarter, guys. Ang pros and cons lang nito, mura siya. It's around 100 pesos lang going to Old Quarter. That's around 50 minutes ride. Pero, ang con niya, guys, is you need to wait na mapuno. Kung hindi kayo nagmamadali, go for it. May iwan ako, guys. Nandito na pala ang Grab namin. We're out of the Grab, guys. It's around mga 40 minutes. This is our neighborhood. Our Airbnb is here. Dito siya sa side nitong may computer shop. So ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng Hanoi, guys. Hey guys! We're finally here in Hanoi! And guys, nakaakyat na kami sa Airbnb namin. Sobrang bait ng caretaker. Yung parang Ate Merle namin sa Airbnb. Pinapasok na yung mga bag namin. Just need to clean dahil nga may nag-check out before us. Tapos sabi niya, itatry niya daw yung best niya, guys, para kami ay makapasok agad. Para makaget tayo ng sleep kasi kinamusta niya kami. So, ito na! I'm so happy. Saan makita yung pharmacy? Pasensya na kayo sa lalakihang pimples. Guys, ito ang itsura ng Ho Chi Minh. Sa gilid pa lang may nagtitinda ng prutas. Alam niyo, paborito. Oh, longgan. Paborito ko to. Hello. Narinig niya ako. Yung saya naman kasi sa longgan. So, for today, it's just 8:30 a.m. here in Hanoi. 9:30 dyan sa inyo sa Pilipinas. Yan guys, tayo ay mag-iikot muna, mag-chill. Let's walk around our neighborhood. Ito, ang itsura ng ating neighborhood.
Yung lugar nung sa Pilipinas, yung madaming mga gadgets, Quiapo or
Hindi ko alam.
Isitan. Hindi ko alam. Basta
Ganun yung
something like
itsura niya. Guys, mas chill siya. Di ba nagpunta na tayo sa Ho Chi Minh. Yung vibe niya, guys, on a quieter side sa, even though ito ang city center ng Vietnam. So, let's walk around. Bago na namang lugar sa ating mga mata. Enjoy lang natin ang ating day one. May grocery tayo sa malapit, guys. Ito. Pasok tayo, guys, sa kanilang local grocery. Ito ang kanilang fruits. Marami ring prutas dito sa Vietnam. Ang guwapa. Guys, ito yung sa airport kanina. Meron sila durian flavor na yogurt, aloe vera flavor na yogurt. Yan, nag-fast silip lang tayo. So, easy access. Andito lang yung Airbnb natin. Meron tayong malapit dito na bilihan ng tubig, bilihan ng mga toiletries. So, very good. Guys, isa to sa kakainan natin here in Vietnam. Ban Con Nong. Yan, guys. Rice paper siya na merong earwood mushrooms plus pork. First order of business, ang reason why we flew to Vietnam ay ang aking craving sa bun cha. So let's try this bun cha duck cake, a Michelin selected restaurant here in Hanoi. Guys, naubos ko na yung noodles ko. Nasatisfy ko na ang craving natin for bun cha. Siguro pwede na tayong umuwi. Nakakita tayo after natin kumain ng Starbucks. Sobrang aesthetic guys ng Starbucks nila dito. Let's see what's on their menu. Hey guys! Joyce with Bartolome here. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys our Airbnb here in Hanoi, Vietnam. Gusto niyo bang makita? Tara! Tara! So guys, when you come in, you have here a living area. Ayan, you can put your shoes here and meron din silang sinama dito na tsinelas para comfortable tayo. Ngayon nakapaalang tayo and then may carpeted area here for the living space. Ano siya guys? Good for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have here the remote controls of the aircon, the TV, andyan na yung iba nating gadgets. So yan, very cozy. You have a lounge area here. And sa likod, meron tayo na cabinet. Meron din tayong mirror. And then we have here a rack for your clothes. So may hanger din sila. Here you can see merong hair dryer, may plancha, may extension, which I love. We place our luggage here sa side na to. And then you have your electric fan aside from the air condition. So, on this side, guys, we have a king-size bed. Diba? Very spacious. And then, on this side, meron tayong work area. Malaking desk. Meron ding mga drawers dito. And then, you have a lamp para sa gabi. Yan, check natin. Yan, para sa gabi, naka-dim lang, may mood lights tayo. On this side naman, we have a dining area. Nandito na rin ang TV. Diba? Very spacious. Pwede tayong tumambling guys. So, meron dito 3 seats for you guys. But you know what? This Airbnb is good for 4 packs. So, on this side naman guys, you have your mini kitchen wherein meron kasamang microwave, may plates, may baso, may stove if you wanna cook, and then may tubig, may kettle, may utensils, and then dito, pwede kayo maghugas, meron na silang kasamang dishwashing liquid. And then, here guys, dito ako na happy. Siyempre, na-check na natin to kanina. Meron silang free water, may ice guys, which I love. Tapos yan, sa akin na yun, dala ko yan. Yung aking mga sparkling water. So, on this side naman, we have our bathroom na talaga naman guys, I love it. Pasok tayo. Wala tayong bathtub here, but meron tayong spacious na shower area. Meron tayong toilet with bidet. Perfect. And then you see here, meron silang washing machine and then yung kanilang caretaker dito, i-assess na kayo kung paano kayo maglalaba. Meron tayo ditong towels. And then may malaki tayo ditong mirror and lavatory. Perfect. Very clean, which I love. So, yan. Labas tayo dito, guys. I'll show you naman ang kanilang view. Guys, ano yan? Kita mo yan? 180 degrees. Medyo tirik lang ang araw ngayon dahil tanghali. Pero makikita mo ang view ng Old Quarter. Okay guys, so kung magtatanong kayo saan ko to binook, I booked this space at Airbnb. Nag-Airbnb tayo this time. Bakit? Kasi guys, as an Airbnb host, meron kaming benefits. Like kapag super host kami, yun na nga, super host tayo for the past year. So we thank each and everyone na nagbubook ng Nami Spot by Honeybee's Home. I-plug na rin natin dito kasi hindi namin mabubook to for free. kung hindi nyo rin kami binubok. So yun guys, this Airbnb cost us 1,600 per night only. Guys, so ang binook ko is 3 nights lang dapat, pero dahil nga ang flight namin sa 4th day namin is pamadaling araw pa, binook ko na rin yung susunod. So alam nyo ba kung magkano lang ang dinagdag ko guys? 1,000 pesos lang. So we got this Airbnb for only 1,000 pesos. So yun, 'di ba? I-utilize natin 'yon, and meron tayong Airbnb pa dahil meron na naman kaming another credits from them. So yan, this Airbnb is good for 4 packs guys. Imagine 1,600 for 4, sulit na, 'di ba? Bigger than the hotels that we booked sa mga iba nating countries na na-visit. So yan, I'm so excited to stay here, matulog, magpahinga, and then later, we'll be going naman outside, mag-tour na tayo sa Hanoi. So yun lang. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Mag-montage muna tayo, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts at Yabut Choisan on Instagram and Chi JY on TikTok. I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Special thanks to the caretaker of this Airbnb. We're staying at Vec Apartment in Juan Kiem in Old Quarter. Guys, alam nyo ba na ang check-in time dito is at 3 p.m. Pero guys, nakapasok kami at 10:30. So, thank you so much. And free yun, guys. We appreciate yung may-ari ng Airbnb and the caretaker. So, yun. If you wanna book dito sa malapit sa mga sightseeing spots here in Hanoi and food places, book Vec Apartments. Let's do it the touristy way for day 1.